We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this ancient queen. Two different ways of pronouncing it. Boudica, Boudica, a stress on the first syllable. It's sometimes pronounced also as Boudica. Both pronunciations are correct. We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this ancient queen. Two different ways of pronouncing it. Boudica, Boudica, a stress on the first syllable. It's sometimes pronounced also as Boudica. Both pronunciations are correct. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.